Today, we're going to be comparing all of the JBL Flips from the first release model to the current model. Back in 2012, JBL released the Flip. The Flip featured decent stereo sound and had about 5 hours of battery life, but one major drawback was the charger. The charger was not micro USB, but instead a 12-volt charger, which means if you did happen to lose the charger, that was it for the JBL. When 2014 came around, JBL decided to step up the game and release the Flip 2. The Flip 2 featured even better sound quality but still had the short 5-hour battery life, but was given the micro USB port. In 2015, JBL released the Flip 3. The Flip 3 featured a complete remodel and was given the fabric body and was water resistant, and even featured up to 10-hour battery life. Later on in 2017, JBL released the Flip 4. The Flip 4 was an award-winning speaker that featured an IPX7 rating, which means that the speaker was fully submersible. The Flip 4 also included the new JBL Connect Plus that made it compatible with other JBL models such as the Boombox and the Pulse 3. Now, as of 2019, JBL released the Flip 5. The Flip 5 is one of the first JBL speakers to feature the Type-C charging port. One major drawback of the charging port is that it can only charge the speaker. Another major drawback of the Flip 5 is the incompatibility with any JBL Connect Plus speaker. The Flip 5 is also no longer a stereo speaker. Now I'm going to do a sound comparison of all the JBL Flips and comment below which one sounds the best to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up for another amazing bang of my legs blazing Danny Paul. Touchdown to Heathrow, DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the shoot to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek, yo. Need to get girl with an extremely deep. See 6 midgets that be fire juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. Know what's going down every time that we are down. Take a look through the peephole, yo. Everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yo, we turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club into a freak show. Look at Snow White eating rotten apples. Dirty bass that be coming at you. Roller coasters like a supernova. Around the ring master, this my tabernacle. See you screaming, I'm like, what for? Oh, you pop? Yeah, I got popcorn. I been wake up on the wrong lawn, so we won't stop. It's a lost cause. Take a look through the peephole. Yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them leaks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yo, we turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club into a freak show.
Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel.